After the success of the Vivo Y01, Vivo is set to launch its latest entry-level smartphone with the Vivo Y02s. The improved Vivo Y02s exudes a slim yet powerful device that offers two stylish colors, elegant design, large HD Plus display, and now equipped with a USB-C charging port. With the said features, the Vivo Y02s will definitely have a very good price point. In this video, we'll unbox the Vivo Y02s and check out all of its contents. The packaging box of the Vivo Y02s gets a very simple design in an all-white color and made of a thick cardboard material in smooth matte finish. On the front, you'll see the Vivo logo and the model name with some nice print finish. Both sides has a Vivo logo, then a soy ink seal label on the right. At the back, you can spot the highlighted features of the Vivo Y02s, specs, IMEI, company information, and compliance certifications. Inside the box, you have the following contents: Vivo Y02s unit, the SIM ejector tool, quick start guide and warranty card, USB-C cable, and the power adapter. The Vivo Y02s offers two stylish colorways in fluorite black, and our review unit in a nice vibrant blue when shifted sideways radiates a pattern of dancing waves and different hues of color from blue to green. Stay tuned for our next video as we do some camera tests on the Vivo Y02s.
Please share, like and click to subscribe to megabites.com.ph.